Hello guys, this is Armin with Castle Auto Sales. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And let's take a look at 2006 Jeep Wrangler 4-wheel drive. This one is inline 6. If I'm not mistaken, this was the last year, or 2006 was the last year that they made. This one has only 72,500 around that miles. Let's take a look at exterior first. Pretty nice. 315, 75, 60. This one, it is also cabled and remote. Alright. Rubicon. It only had four owners. Started its life from Nevada, went to California. Third owner is also from California, and fourth owner bought from Idaho, end up in Washington, and right now it's Renton, Washington. This side. Really nice tires. It is obvious whoever had it was an enthusiast. They took care of it really, really nice. Let's get in. Manual, as you see. $72,566. Aftermarket stereo system, as you see. Locks. AC is working. I'm actually surprised. That's the 4-wheel high control and also 4-wheel low. Right. Let's see the rear seats. Jack is right there, the lift kit right there. Well, it has Alpine sound system, Alpine speakers, Kenwood stereo system, and those are the latches that you can pop up. See if I can open this with one hand while I'm holding. Yeah. engine works perfectly. AC works as well. Inline 6. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you make an appointment by me, if you call Castle Auto Sales and make an appointment by me, I will give you $25 cash or Visa card, whichever. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.